Local news about local people. This is Newslink Indiana.
Good evening, I'm Chris Bavender. Thanks for joining us. Insurance adjusters spent today at Blue River Valley School's maintenance building in Henry County. They were totaling up the damage caused by a lightning-sparked fire Wednesday night. Newslink Indiana's Jill Crehan tells us how the blaze started and what the school is going to do now.
After a devastating fire in one of the buildings at the Blue River Valley High School, the time has come to start sifting through the rubble and seeing what can be saved.
Well, there's a few hand tools in that box right there. That's probably about the only thing that I've seen that could be saved.
The fire wouldn't have been quite so severe under normal circumstances. However, the high school is currently under renovation, meaning many things normally in the school were being stored in the burnt building.
We moved all the PE equipment out, and we have obviously some athletic equipment out here, uniforms that were damaged.
If you were to ask Superintendent Steve Welsh whether or not they plan on rebuilding, the answer is clear.
Yes.
During the fire, one bus was a complete loss, while two more, as you can see behind me, were severely damaged.
That bus is probably around $56,000. So depending on the damage to the other two buses, we'll just have to wait and see.
While some have estimated the total cost of replacement and rebuilding at about $750,000, the actual number won't be known for some time. In Henry County, Jill Crehan, Newslink, Indiana.
Welsh said that athletics and physical education will continue as usual when school starts, despite the fact they may not have the equipment they need. Preliminary unemployment figures released today by the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics show Indiana's unemployment level was the lowest in the Midwest for the month of June. The state's non-seasonally adjusted unemployment rate for June was 4.7%. That figure is down from 5% in May and 4.9% in June of 2003. Well, now here's Ina Segal with a look at our forecast for the night. Ina?
Well, Chris, things are looking pretty nice for this weekend. For tonight, though, mostly clear skies, calm and comfortable with a low 53 degrees. But as we head into tomorrow, we're going to see a couple clouds in the morning hours, but plenty of sunshine for your Saturday. Partly cloudy conditions again in the morning, but gradual clearing and plenty of sunshine with a high of 73 degrees. Chris?
Thanks, Anna. That is Newslink Indiana. Join us at 10:57 for more news. And don't forget local news about local people 24 hours a day at newslinkindiana.com.